Four people in McLean County rescued by boat northwest of I-55 early this morning. Leaders at the Mount Hope Funks Grove Fire Department say the call came in around 11 last night. The group calling 911 from inside a car sinking in floodwater. First responders unable to reach the group due to flooded roads. Eventually, emergency crews reaching the car around 1:30 this morning. Leaders say the four people were brought to the hospital with no injuries. Here's some news you can use. Leaders from the National Weather Service say never drive or try to drive through flooded roadways. The road could be washed out under flood waters. Just 6 inches of water can cause you to lose control of the car or cause the car to stall. And a foot of water can float your car. If you're near flooding water, get to higher ground safely.